Speeches from my own colleagues. Frans has written the program, and first one for me on the program was to do a speech when all the guests arrived. So, dear partners of the new project and dear colleagues, I bid you a warm welcome to our school. We hope to be good hosts to you so that in the next few days a strong interchange may develop between the participants of all countries involved. Slovakia, Romania, Portugal, Norway, and Belgium. The new team at LBC Bob Rock, with our big boss Frans, has prepared a generous program for you. This will be busy days indeed. Besides working on contents and moments of sharing experience, there will be also time to know each other better. I know from some reactions I received from past exchange, especially from the exchange in Norway, that getting the opportunity to get acquainted is also very important and valuable and much appreciated by you. That's why the package includes some much needed relaxation too, time to spend together, eating and drinking, and visits to Antwerp. Antwerp is one of the most beautiful cities in Europe, I like to say, in all modesty. I hope you will soon feel comfortable here and that you return to your home countries on Sunday feeling satisfied and richer for the experience. Have a wonderful time.
Cheers.